Have you ever gotten the burn food warning thingy dooey hickey on your Instant Pot? But I don't know what I was saying. Uncle Bill, if you're watching, first of all, I love you. I think I know how to fix this. Oh, okay. That's my favorite part. Oh boy, my camera lens is dirty. Oh, it's dripping. Hi everybody, welcome back. What? Hi everybody, welcome back. Nope, that's dumb. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing something in the Instant Pot that's super easy. Super easy. Have I done this before? No, but it's going to be easy, trust me. We have the generic version of stovetop stuffing right here. See it? Stuffing? Okay, we're going to make this in the Instant Pot because I'm going to, wait for it, put it in here. Oh, it's dripping. I'm going to put it in, whoo, I'm going to put it in there. I made a mess. Of course I made a mess. Now, we're going to follow the directions on here, but we're going to do it a little differently. Okay, so follow along. The first step, it says 1/4 of stick of butter, which this is, you know, how you cut up the butter and you put it in the refrigerator. Well, this is what I have, and this is what I'm using. It's enough, trust me. We're just going to plop this in there. Easy, easy. Plop it in there. And I'm going to plug this in. And then the butter needs to be melted. So I'm going to hit saute. And it says 30 minutes, but I'll be right here. It won't be 30 minutes. And you don't have to put the lid on when you saute. You don't want to do that. Ooh, there it goes. So we're going to let that butter in there, do a little melting. That's what we're going to do now. And right now, oh boy, my camera lens is dirty. Hold on. My trusty Norwax window rag. Let's see if it helps. Do you remember a couple videos back when I dropped this camera into the chicken broth? I'm still paying for that. The camera works fine other than the zoom. The zoom feature does not work. I will be back when this is melted. It should only take about 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. We're back, and the butter is melted. See, butter melted. To this, we're going to add, on this box here, it says 1.5 cups of water. We're going to put 2 cups of water in there, just because. 2 cups of water. Trust me on this, it's going to work. I promise. It's going to work. I probably should have had this open already. Oh, okay. There's only 1 bag in here. Normally, stovetop has the 2 bags, I think. Just put it all in the Instant Pot. If it comes in 2 separate spots, just put it all in there. Trust me. Trust me. Cut the bag open and voila, into the Instant Pot it goes. We're gonna stir it up just a little bit. What flavor? Oh, it's chicken flavor. It's going in a chicken, so that's probably a good thing. Next up, got your lid. My gasket's not in there. I washed this because I used it last night. I made spaghetti. I made spaghetti in here, which normally spaghetti in here is good. It was gross. It was just gross. I don't know why. It was just gross. So, yeah, that happened last night. I'm putting the gasket in if you wonder. Gasket's on. We're going to put the lid on. That's my favorite part. That's my favorite. That is my favorite. Set this to the not venting. I can't see. I don't remember what it's called, but seal. The seal. Set it to seal. Seal. Yeah. We're gonna hit pressure cook. Let's go. Let's do 7 minutes, just because. Trust me, this is going to work. And we're just going to leave, oh there, see the pot went on. We're just going to leave the pot alone, and I'll be back. I'll be back when this is done, doing its thing, and hopefully it worked. It's going to work. I know it's going to work. I'm going to go put my dishes away right now, and I'll be right back. Oh, while I'm putting my dishes away, if you could just do me a little favor. This is like a little favor. If you like my video, can you hit the little thumbs up? That thumbs up down there. And if you don't like it, go ahead and you can just hit that thumbs down. I'm okay with that. I really am. But do whichever one you want, and I'll be right back. Here we go. Burn food. Have you ever gotten the burn food warning thingy dooey hickey on your Instant Pot? I just got the burn food, and I'm going to show you how to fix this. I think I know how to fix this. Take the lid back off. Alright, do that. That's because it's burning and we need to add more water. But the stuffing is done. It's done. Look, it's moist enough. So now what? Now what do we do? It's moist enough. It worked. You know what? So I would only cook it for like 3 minutes. Just enough for, you know, warm it up. Let it get moist. Pop the seal. Is this a fail of a video? No, because it worked. It worked. It may not work the right way, but you know what? It worked. We have stuffing. We do have stuffing. My poor uncle. Uncle Bill, if you're watching, first of all, I love you. Miss you. Secondly, he asked me if I'd make some Instant Pot recipes. I will. I am. I'll make more. I did send them to the playlist. Hashtag Let's Instant Pot if you want to join my playlist. Even if you have a recipe that failed, you could put it in there. I'd be happy to have it. Uncle Bill, don't do this. What I just did, don't do this. It'll work. It will work like only like 3 minutes probably on pressure cook, and then just vent it and you'll be good. You'll be good. Yeah. But add that extra cup of water. Actually, I added an extra half a cup of water. I imagine that you could add an extra cup of water to this and it would be okay. And it would probably work better. Yeah. But anyway. I'm getting root canal today. That's fun. Yeah, I'm doing that. Now I'm just babbling. I'm babbling. So anyway, hashtag Let's Instant Pot. The stuffing would have worked. It would have worked with a cup of water. And I'm just running on now. I'm just running on. Uncle Bill, good luck with your Instant Pot. All right. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.